2007 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, xenon headlights, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, cruise control, compass, heated driver's seat, power windows, fog lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.